Hello, I'm Anton Kharitonov. Today, I decided to take a closer look at XM Group to understand how stable and reliable this broker is for traders of different levels. What I can say is that the platform runs very smoothly, orders are executed quickly without unnecessary delays or issues. An important point is that money transactions are processed without delays, and customer support responds promptly and professionally. This is always a big plus when you know your money and concerns are in safe hands. Another significant reason to trust XM is that it holds licenses from several reputable regulators such as FSCA, SISEC, FSC, and DFSA. This is a clear sign that the company takes security and regulatory compliance seriously. It's especially pleasing to see that XM Group invests in infrastructure and technology. This is evident in the platform's stable performance as well as the convenience and speed of trading. The broker also offers mobile applications with wide functionality, allowing traders to stay connected and trade anytime and anywhere. I would also highlight the convenience of the educational resources and user support. The service is tailored to clients with varying levels of experience, and this is reflected in the quality of customer support. The responses are always professional and timely. Overall, XM is a broker you can rely on if safety, comfort, and reliability are important to you.